If you're planning a trip abroad soon, let me put you on to one of the smartest travel hacks out there, SimLocal. It gives you instant connectivity in over 220 countries, plans starting at under $1 per gigabyte, real unlimited data up to 10 gigabytes per day at high speed, local calls, texts, and free hotspot sharing, fast 3-minute setup, no SIM swapping, no stress, 24/7 support, and a 100% refund guarantee. Stay connected on your travels with a SimLocal eSIM and get 10% off by clicking the link below or using my code Narcity at checkout. It's hands down the most affordable, reliable, and hassle-free way to get online while abroad, and today I'm going to show you why it makes a difference the second you land. So, first things first, what is an eSIM and why should you care? An eSIM is a digital SIM card that lets you access mobile data, calls, and text without inserting anything into your phone. No visiting a kiosk, no tiny tools or paper clips. It installs straight to your phone through an app, so when you land in a new country, you can connect immediately without touching your physical SIM card. This is a total game changer when you're traveling. Think about it. The moment your plane lands, you want to check Google Maps, message your Airbnb host, maybe post a quick story or order a ride. With an eSIM, you're already online. No waiting for airport Wi-Fi, no stressing about roaming charges, and no searching for a SIM kiosk when all you want to do is get going. And after trying a few different providers, my go-to is SimLocal, especially as a Canadian traveler. Now, if you're already sold, check out the link in the description and use a discount code Narcity to save on your first plan. Unlike some providers that just offer generic global coverage, SimLocal partners with the best local networks in each country, so you get fast, reliable data no matter where you are. Their unlimited plans give you 10 gigabytes per day at full speed, including 5G where available. Their pricing is super fair with no hidden fees, no confusing fine print, and you can get 10% off using the code Narcity during checkout. Plus, they actually have real support teams at major European airports like Heathrow, Dublin, in addition to 24/7 online help. One of my favorite SimLocal moments, I was flying to Portugal and literally grabbed a plane before takeoff right at Pearson Airport. By the time we landed in Lisbon, I switched off airplane mode and bam, I was already online. I was on the plane texting my family to say I'd landed safely, no fiddling with SIM cards, no $15 roaming charges, just instant peace of mind. Their app also has a really smart tool called Find My Plan. It basically tailors your data plan to your trip. Staying 5 days in Amsterdam, they'll recommend a short-term plan. Doing a month across Italy and Greece? Go unlimited. You can get everything from 1 gigabyte to unlimited with full flexibility in between. And when I say unlimited, I mean real unlimited. SimLocal gives you 10 gigabytes of high-speed data per day on their unlimited plans, which is way more than most other providers. Some competitors only give you 500 megabytes to 1 gigabyte before slowing you down, whereas SimLocal keeps it fast. It's perfect for streaming, sharing, hotspotting, Google mapping your way through the cute streets in Lisbon, all the things. Let's take Italy, for example. With SimLocal, you get 10 gigabytes of high-speed data and hotspot access for 7 days, all for just $29. That's a way better deal than a lot of the other options out there. And it's not just data. Most plans include local calls and texts. A few plans even include international minutes. That kind of flexibility makes a huge difference when you're tired, jet-lagged, or just trying to find your way. Also, the majority of SimLocal plans include hotspot and tethering and no extra charge. So if you need to connect your laptop or share with a friend whose battery just died, you're good. I've hotspotted my phone while uploading video clips on the train, zero issues. The whole setup process takes about 3 minutes. You just open the SimLocal app, browse or search for your destination, choose the plan that fits your trip, and follow the simple steps to install your eSIM. The app walks you through everything with clear instructions. Even if you're not super tech savvy, it's easy. By the time you've walked from the gate to the baggage carousel, you're already connected and ready to go. It's that quick, it's that smooth, and it just makes starting your trip feel effortless. And if you ever run into issues, SimLocal offers 24/7 customer support through live chat, WhatsApp, email, and even in-person help at major airports in Europe, along with more than 100 stores around the world. SimLocal isn't a new startup either. They've been around for over 13 years. That kind of experience shows. The app is polished, the service is consistent, and the support is top-notch. And yes, they have a 100% refund policy if your eSIM doesn't work, so you're never out of luck or out of pocket. And if you're visiting more than one country, SimLocal has multi-country and global plans that cover all of Europe and beyond. So you can start your trip in Amsterdam, hop to Berlin, and then end in Prague, all on the same eSIM. No switching, no extra charges, just seamless roaming. Here's the thing, travel is about freedom, exploring a new city, getting lost on purpose, finding hidden cafes, or that little beach only locals know about. You shouldn't be worrying about how to connect or whether you can afford to stream music on a road trip. SIM helps you skip that. It's the difference between standing outside a closed train station, not knowing what to do, and being able to check schedules, book a cab, and find your way to your hotel all with a couple of taps. So, to recap, SIM gets you instant connectivity in 220 plus destinations, under $1 per gigabyte on most plans, real unlimited data, 10 gigabytes per day, local calls, texts, and hotspot included, fast 3-minute setup, real support, and a real refund policy. It's the most flexible, affordable, and stress-free way to stay connected while you travel. So, if you're traveling soon, even if it's next week, don't wait until you land. Download the SIM app now and get set up before takeoff. Pick your plan, activate your eSIM in minutes, and explore like a local, connected, confident, and completely in control from the moment you touch down. Use promo code Narcity at checkout and click the link below to grab your exclusive discount and start saving right away. Thanks for watching and safe travels. I'll see you online, and hey, send this to your travel crew so they can stay connected too. Bye!